In this video, I'm going to teach you how to host a React.js website on Hostinger in a simple and beginner-friendly way. If you've already built your React project and want to make it accessible online, this guide will walk you through the essential steps you need to follow. Hosting a React website may sound complicated at first, but once you understand the basic process, it becomes very easy to manage and repeat whenever needed. Start by going to the Hostinger website and logging into your account using your email and password. Once you enter your hPanel dashboard, locate the hosting section. This is where all your hosting plans are listed. Select the hosting plan you want to use, then click the Manage button to open the full control panel for that specific plan. The hPanel gives you access to files, databases, domains, and all the tools you need to run your website smoothly. Next, scroll down and open the Files section. Inside this area, look for FTP accounts and click on it. FTP accounts allow you to upload files from your computer directly to your hosting server. If you do not have an FTP account already created, simply create a new one by entering a username, setting a strong password, and saving the details. These credentials are important because you will use them inside your FTP client to upload your React build files. After setting up your FTP account, open an FTP client such as FileZilla. In the host field, enter your FTP host address. Then fill in your FTP username and password. Click connect and wait for the connection to establish. Once you are inside your server files, locate the public_HTML directory, which is the main folder served to the internet. Anything you place inside public_HTML will be visible to visitors through your domain. Now go back to your React project on your computer and create a production build. You can do this by opening your project folder in a terminal and running the build command. The build folder contains optimized HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files that are ready to be uploaded to your hosting server. Once the build folder is generated, open it and select all the files inside. Return to FileZilla, open the public_HTML folder, and drag all the files from your React build folder into public_HTML. Wait until the upload completes fully. This may take a few moments depending on your internet speed and the size of your project. When the upload is finished, your React website becomes instantly active. Now, open your browser and enter your domain name. You should be able to see your React website live online. Test the navigation, pages, and components to make sure everything works properly. If something doesn't load, double check that all files were uploaded into the correct directory. That's all it takes. You've successfully hosted your React.js website on Hostinger using a smooth, straightforward process. Enjoy your live project and continue building more amazing web applications.